Hey guys, just want to show you my new grandfather clock. It is American made. I've been looking for a long time for the right one, and turns out the right one is a white one. You know, they're mostly 99% brown, but I wanted one that was different and kind of vintage, and after searching for a few years, because they're kind of hard to come by and for the style that I wanted. This is a cable driven, not the chain driven. So it's a really well made clock, and it has 3 different chimes, and it's about, oh, there it is. So anyway, this is my clock. It's got a cool little locking door here, so the kids won't get inside and mess with it. Let me show you what it looks like. I installed a light on it. It's kind of cool little effect. I can kind of dim it if I want to. I bought a little dimmer for it. Anyway, that is my clock. Thanks for looking. Adios.